Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create your very own crypto money-making website using the powerful Zero-X Tools premium script. Right now, there's a limited time offer. You can grab the premium version of Zero-X Tools for just $10 instead of the regular price of $200. With this script, you'll be able to launch a fully functional crypto moneymaker site in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the script. Open your browser and search for Zero-X Factory. Click on zeroxfactory.com. From the left-hand menu, select Special Offer. This page contains all the details about the discount. Click on the Download Premium Version link. Connect your wallet to make the $10 payment. You can pay using BNB, USDT, or USDC. Just choose your preferred crypto. Once the payment is complete, your download will start automatically. Step 2. Set up the script. After downloading, extract the zip file and open the folder. Replace the default logo with your own. Open the data.json file using any text editor and make the following edits. Fee wallet. Enter the wallet address where you want to receive transaction fees. Fees. Set the fees for creating tokens, airdrops, and launchpads. The values are in way. You can increase the fees or leave the default values, but you can't lower them below the default. Social links. Add your Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook profiles. Once done, save and close the file. Step 3. Upload to Hosting Now. Upload all the script files to your domain or subdomain using your hosting provider. Once uploaded, your website is fully ready to go, and you're all set to start earning crypto. Good luck and happy building!